This is Dimitri and welcome to the Gym's Automation. So today we will understand the practical timer on using push buttons. Okay. In previous class we have understood T1 timer with the help of toggle switch. We have turned on this and we used to uh, on and off after particular delay with the help of this toggle switch. But what if I want to turn on my output with the help of push button after some delay? Okay, with push button. So here we have one input and one output. Input number 2 is my second push button and output number 2 is my green LED light. So this we have used, this is second push button and this we have used as output. This is my input and this is my output. Okay, so if I open the program, here I have made a program with the help of binary bit. Now understood, this is a push button. We have already understood the concept of binary, we already understood the concept of push button, right? So if I'll release this and press it, still it should be executed. So what I did, I have taken this input instruction and here in the output I have taken a binary bits b3 colon 0/0, and I've taken this in a parallel branch, so this will work as a push button. So if I'll press this and release it, my binary will be on continuously. And at the same time I have taken a parallel branch with the help of I have taken this timer as well. So if I press this, immediately my output b3 0/0 will be on and my timer will be also on. Okay, and then after 10 seconds of delay my done bit will be on, so this will be on and my LED light will be on. So let's see whether it is happening or not. Let's see practically. I'm verifying this program. Go to communication, system communication, and I'll download this program to my physical PLC. Change back to run mode. Do you want to go online? Yes. Okay, now this is my second push button, right? Previously we have done with the help of this toggle switch. Now let's do with this switch. This is push button. So if I press this, what will happen? After 10 seconds of delay, this LED light should get on. So let me press this. I'm pressing this. As soon as I'm pressing this and releasing it, see, press and release, so my output is on. So my timer is continuously on with the help of this bypass supply, and after 10 seconds of delay my LED light is on, right? So what we did here, we have used smartly this binary bits. Okay, so we have used in a parallel line. So if I release this, so with the help of this bypass supply, my binary bit will be on continuously and my timer will be on continuously, right? So this is how you can use with the help of push button timer, right? So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next class. Thank you.